What's up, YouTube? Mochelly here, back again with another video, and this time we'll be doing an unboxing from Ipsy. I do $50 a month for this, and I get the money back basically, if you think about it, because most of the products in here is over $50. But we're gonna see what we got today. Honestly, and to be honest, I'm in public doing this right now, so it's kind of weird because I'm just in a little corner by my lonesome. And I thought, being that the day is so gloomy, I wouldn't think anyone would be in my original spot that I normally hang out in, so it's like a little weird. And then I got this, I'm using this camera because I didn't want to use my phone because I actually wanted to edit the video this time. Do I have something in here? Sure. I do actually. Ain't that good? Let's get one of these pens and just... That worked very well. But anyway, so I'm trying to stay very consistent on these videos because I have no life and I don't have nothing else to do right now. But here's the box, and I'm just gonna... They have a pamphlet in here that they should have a pamphlet in here that tells you all of the prices. But here is my box. I get, for this $50 box, I'm basically getting like 10 items. Some of them are expensive, some of them are not. I don't think they gave me the pamphlet this time, so I wonder if people are wondering what I'm doing. I wish I had tinted windows now, to be honest. I really do. Apparently I have something. Okay, this thing is called Barefoot. I don't know if you can see it. It's called Barefoot, this thing. It has shea moisture, mango seed butter, olive oil, soybean oil, and it's created without a lot of, without some extra mineral oils and stuff like that. So and it's basically instant hand repair. Let me smell this. It smells good. The only thing I hate about it is that, where's the seal? I feel like it's been used. I don't like that, but it smells good. It smells like shea butter. Hopefully you see me very clear and I'm not out of focus, because if I'm out of focus I'm gonna be so upset. So the next thing I have is Glow Recipe. I think I might use this. It's a toner. It's a pore toner. I think I might use it. I need it. I need it. My face needs it. I feel so weird because people are driving by. I'm pretty sure they're not looking over. Yeah, keep your eyes on the road. Alright, so I have this. Next thing I'm gonna pull out is called Juliet Has a Gut. What the heck is this? What kind of name? It gives you vanilla vibes, but this is it. Juliet Has a Gut. I'm gonna open it. I don't know what the retail prices are, but I'm gonna look them up and I'll put them on the screen since I'm gonna edit this. Okay, it's some type of spray. Weird. Anyway, like what YouTuber does this? I mean, yeah, YouTubers do this, don't they? Oh, it's perfume. It says it on the front, but in a different language. That smells good. I might get a bigger bottle. Yo, I'm gonna tell y'all the retail price of this as soon as I figure everything out. They didn't give me the pamphlet. That's very strange. Very strange. Okay, so I have a cosmetic from Naked Cosmetics. Something from Naked Cosmetics. Something. Guess gotta open it to find out, right? Oh snap! It's a bunch of highlighters. That's dope. Is it highlighters or? I guess you can wear it as both, but it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 shades. That's dope. I have one at home. I think I have 2. I'm pretty sure it probably expired by now. But anyway, I got eye cream. It's from Air Repair. This little eye cream. I'm really gonna probably like do a little video of these so y'all get what they look like. So I'm pretty sure you can't see it. Hopefully you can see me, honestly. Okay, and then I got this big old thing. It is a CBD super food dual cleansing oil. Cleansing oil. CBD. CBD oil. It's actually good. I don't know why they don't have it legal. It's supposed to it calms your skin and helps you reduce redness. I need that because it unclogs pores, it fights against acne, but that's the black calming oil. The black sesame oil improves skin rejuvenation. I can't. Not proper saying that. Alright, so I guess this is a sample. I think this was a sample too. I think they give you like 2 samples, but this is a sample and I think this is a sample. I honestly think this is, no, I think this is the full thing. I think this is, but I think these 2 are the samples. So we have this, the balm, whatever. It's a, I think it's a highlight, but it says a willpower powder. I think it's a highlight. Pretty sure it's a highlight, right? It's blush. But anyway, why are you slow rolling? Just keep it moving. Don't be nosy. I'm so good. Anyway, and then I did say I needed more eyeshadow palettes because I wanted to experience on practicing on doing eyeshadows and doing more and do some makeup videos. I'm not really a makeup expert. I don't want this YouTube to be like a makeup thing because I'm not a makeup person. I barely wear makeup. As you can see, my face is bare. Probably mostly because we have to wear masks, and I only, like, to be honest, I only wear makeup like this now. Don't wear lipstick. I wear matte lipstick where it don't come off, but some reason my matte lipstick hasn't been coming off. I think I need new lipstick. But I have Dominique's Cosmetics. It has like 6 shades. I'm gonna show you the shades. Let's see what the shades are. Why it look like it's been used? No, it hasn't. It hasn't. I'm good. It just, I'm used to having plastic covers, you know. But I wish it had like a protection, especially if you have a mirror in here. I think it should have a protection. But these are the shades. This one is sweater weather. This one is fuzzy. This one is toasty. This one is cuddle. This one is chill, and this is messy bun. Gives you fall vibes, right? Feels like mid-spring right now. It don't even feel like fall. It feels like spring. But anyway, we got that. Then we have Dr. Branded. Whatever. It's a pour. Yeah, whatever. I can't pronounce that. But alright, guys. So my camera shut off in the middle of me talking about this. So I had to literally sit there and watch the whole video and figure out where I stopped at. But I couldn't even zoom in, which was annoying. But well, we have it stopped on this, which pretty sure I'm not gonna edit that part, but yeah, y'all get the gist of this one, I believe. Another thing we have is Hubba Beauty, which is a lip contour. So I guess it's like the the little lip liner. I guess that's what it is. I got a lot of I got like 3 Hubba Beauties now. That's interesting. Yeah, and then we have, I think this is another blush. It's called, don't know what it's called. Why is it like this? Me and packaging don't get along. It's like, nah. Anyway, come on. I guess not. Anyway, we have this little blush. This is what it looks like. I feel like people be driving through here just to try to be, but this is the blush. As you can see, it's a little plastic. And then it asks you to pick like makeup or whatever. So I picked this, the Milk Cosmetic makeup. It is a Canvas Hydrating Face Mask. Let me show you. It's this. I'm pretty sure this costs probably a lot. Because it's Milk Cosmetics. Come on. See, a lot of beauty influencers use it. It has a protection on it. It smells good. Not really. It smells like crayons. I'm capping. I don't smell like crayons. But this is what it looked like. Oh. And then throughout all that, it comes with a bag. Every month's bag. It's an Ipsy bag, Your Magic. It's October, so October theme. It's my October monthly bag. And I guess I'm just gonna put all the small things in here. But yeah, that is the video I wanted to do while I was out here. But okay, so we're done with we're done with the box. Alright, so hope you like this video. It's probably a little boring. I don't know. It's alright. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below what videos you want to see next. I'm going to be trying to be more consistent on videos. It won't be every day. It'll probably be every other day. Who knows? Subscribe and I'll be back with more videos. Please. Why do I do that?